doesn't look like it. This looks like another pillbox. I'm guessing it smells inside. Too bad. WWII Romane. Roman baths. What is that? Cart ruts to the right. This is how the Romans built stairs. That is. Interesting. Looks like they've added some signage and whatnot. Yeah, and you found some?
Yeah.
Yeah, good for you.
Today, no, I just came.
Okay.
After work, I stopped for a couple of hours.
Awesome.
Nice.
Good luck.
Yeah.
Bye.
I wonder where the water would have come from. Unless it was a natural spring or something. I guess, yeah. It's not a thermal bath. It's just a Roman bath. Yeah. Not anybody standing out there collecting money. How do we get up there? Oh, take the Roman stairs. Karen, I think we're going to be the new, we'll have to do the new bald instead of, look at all these Soviet stairs and Soviet bus stops. Look at these old Roman stairs. Look at this old Roman doorway. Would you stop and just look at this old Roman bath?
Actually, the Roman Empire, I think, was pretty massive.
Just a big old hole.
Way day. All the way up to Britain. What is it
For what?
for the baths?
Yes, I think maybe this might have been a well. It looks like there's a... Maybe it hasn't been excavated all the way because it looks like it's the limestone's still chiseled out. What did the sign say? It was discovered
Oh, I don't know.
for doing something else. This also looks like... Huh. I wonder... little space is pretty cool. Little, it's a Japanese capsule hotel.
I was thinking maybe for fires.
I think you actually would have got in this and laid down.
Really?
Yeah, probably a place for candles, place to put your things there. Nice rock pillow there to put your head on.
I thought it might have kept the water warm.
Mm. I think I see a seashell or something. It's still in there. What's this? Travel
Picture of it.
narcotic. All right, that's somebody else's trash. I mean advertising.
Yeah.
Where's the QR code, man?
Yeah, I know, right?
Come on. What's that up there? Big slab. Guess
Isn't
it's
it
somebody.
black mold?
No. It's
No.
green. It's green mold.
No, that over there.
I think it's maybe burn marks. Charring. Could be. Fungus expert. I'm not. Somebody's put some seashells up there. Oh no. Not seashells, just rocks. Well, it's not too far. We can take a look. Some old Roman cart ruts stuck in the mud. I don't know what this was for. Looks like originally they had some stones up there. Is that your drain plug right there? Let the water out. Arch there. Arch, the doorway is holding up well. I think they do notches like that to hang a door. I don't know what that is. Piece of cable. This sign said, discovered during maintenance and cleaning activities in May-June 2000. It was identified as a Roman period bath complex. The bath with their pools, cold, tepid, and hot rooms were cut into the rocks in a steep cliff overlooking Mistra Valley. Cave was used as a burial site, possibly in Punic times, 500 BC, prior to its conversion into a bath complex. Notice the 3 different style tombs, all dug with great precision.
Oh, so that thing is maybe a tomb?
Maybe. And a hole at the very top was a cistern, dug for collecting spring water. Although at some point it may have been used as a silo.